to deactivate or delete your Picsart account. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can deactivate or delete your Picsart account. For that, you'll have to open any browser on the device and at the search bar type Picsart.com. Then press enter to reach this interface. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, on this homepage, you will see your profile icon at the right top. Click on your profile picture and at the bottom you will see settings option and you will be taken to this page where you can find your information. Now you scroll down and there you will find delete account option. It says by deleting your account all your data including your edits, collections and likes will be deleted. If you are okay with that, go ahead and tap on that delete account. You will be presented the list of reasons. From here you will have to select the reason for deleting your Picsart account. Select any one of it. Explain your reason here. After explaining your reason, click on the submit button and you will have to enter your password here. After entering the password, click on continue button. For security, you will have to confirm account deletion. So click on this delete account for the last time and wait for a while and there you have it. You have successfully deleted Picsart account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.